Hey Divas, what's up? It is Brandy and I'm here with another edition of Style It with Brandy. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, and ring the bell for the latest in video uploads. And let's get right into this video, you guys. And if you haven't noticed, before we get started, this is a wig I did a tutorial on Valencia, the free tress 5-inch parting space. And it's still going strong. I washed it, put a little bit of heat in it, and the wig, let me move back, ladies, is still going beautifully. It still has that beautiful color to it, and I love it. So if you haven't tried it, get you one. It's under 20 bucks at most online stores. So check it out. Check out my video on that one. But let's get into this one. Ladies, it is a 2-for-1. 2-for-1. 2 for the price of one video. 2 tips and 1 video. Yes, 1 video. Starting off, I did a video a couple weeks ago. It featured a cat eye. And I had one of my subscribers say, hey, can you show me how you did that cat eye? Now, normally, my cat eye is the old way. I'm not going to say busted way, but I would take a piece of tape. You're saying, girl, what in the hell are you doing? I would take a piece of tape, put it on my eye, take my liner and line it up, and that was my cat eye. Peel that tape off, throw it away, and make sure it didn't rub on my face. But that was how I got my cat eye to perfection. Now, I'm not trying to get it perfect. Nobody has to get it perfect, but you want it to look nice and neat. So I found this product, which I'm going to do a review on along with this tutorial, which is L'Oreal's Flash Cat Eye. Now the package looks a little busted up. I haven't had this for long, maybe about a month. I don't know if this is a new product or old product, but you can see it comes with a little stencil, and this is showing you how you do it. And it also tells you that it's this quick, easy, waterproof, and all-day wear. And this is the color 220 Black Noir, your liquid liner removable wing stencil by Infallible line L'Oreal. So that is the product. This is how it looks when it comes out of the package. Flash Cat Eye. I'm not sure why it has this name, but and here's the little stencil, nice packaging. It's attached, and you can reattach it so it does not fall off, and you don't have to look for the pieces in your makeup bag when you're trying to use the product. So let's actually see how this works. Let's get a little bit closer. Now I looked at the package. I did it once with this, but you just take the little stencil. You want to take your lid off first, and you're going to line it up with the corner of your eye. And so, ladies, this is the corner of my eye. And then you just actually fill it in with the marker. And I'm saying marker, but it's an eyeliner pencil. You know what I'm talking about. And you fill it in, and you pull away with your stencil, and there is your cat eye. Yeah, I like it. Easy, breezy. No, not CoverGirl, but L'Oreal. So that is the cat eye from this product, and I think that's really cool because it took me all of 2 seconds to get it done. It's nice and neat. It looks cute, but I did find another trick with it. It doesn't tell you on the package, but I figured, this little piece, probably you can do some other things with it. So say I wanted a long cat eye. I think I could just line that up. So let's line it up and take my little marker and go straight down. Lift it up, and I got me a wing tip there. Now that didn't go too well, so let's finish it. You just gotta have a steady hand on this. I kind of jacked that up, but here we're gonna try and fix that. You get my drift now. So this is what we're doing. And this is not on the package, this is just me messing around with it. But look at that. Ooh, yeah, baby. Now that's, it's a long cat eye. So it has multiple uses with this little tool. I can go with this like short little cat eye, or I can go with this long cat eye. But I thought this was a neat tool. Then it packs away all nice and neat in this little, the lid is like a spring, so it snaps on, so it doesn't pop off and dry out. And then you stick your little stencil back on and you're good to go. Ladies, this product, if you can find it, I found it at Walmart. I'm pretty sure, I would imagine that Target, Ulta, and all the stores that sell L'Oreal products would have this. This is a nice tool to have. And I'm going to show you again to get your cat eye. Let's put the hair Valencia back in. Ooh, I love it. Yes. So different cat eyes that you can probably get with this product. I'll get a little closer. So it is excellent. So this, to me, L'Oreal's Flash Cat Eye, it's a hard product to say. Flash Cat Eye, to me, is going to get a 10. This is a 10. I would buy this wherever you can find it. Grab it, get it. If you like cat eyes and you want to do them and you don't want to spend a lot of time and effort trying to get it done, this is the product for you. I would grab it. I think I paid maybe $8. It's under 10 bucks at Walmart. That I do know. I don't know what other stores charge for it, but for 10 bucks or under 10 bucks, I'd be grabbing me a couple of these. So that is the tip for today. The review is a 10 for L'Oreal Infallible Black Cat Eye. This is not an endorsement ad. This is just my own personal opinion of this product because I like L'Oreal products. So I love it. It gets a 10. And this is how I do my cat eye, ladies. So if you are looking for any more tips in fashion and beauty and home, please stay tuned to my channel and leave all your comments and suggestions below. And I will see you guys in the next video, which might feature these lovely species on my hand. Yes, my little claws that I did a nice little trick with you ladies that can save you a couple of dollars. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.